Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if you need different creatives on top of funnel, middle of funnel and bottom of funnel. I need to clarify that there are rare cases that I have seen that you need different funnels and creatives for bottom of funnel and middle of funnel. Most of the time, whatever is working on top of funnel is working also on the bottom of funnel. Is it wrong to have different creatives for middle of funnel, bottom of funnel? No, it's not. And you can totally have different creatives. A lot of times people even use catalog for their retargeting ads and they use their normal ads for cold traffic. Not that catalog is not effective in top of funnel. If you establish a way of having sales in top of funnel, which is the most important thing, and not middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, because middle of funnel, bottom of funnel means that you are just cannibalizing or you are taking sales from something that is already working. The point and the whole purpose of Facebook is to give you new sales, new volume of sales, and help you scale something that has already been working, not help you discover something that is working. Well, there are new companies that they start and they discover if something is working, but it was going to work anyway, okay? So Facebook is not going to help you do that. Facebook is going to help you scale something that is working. So it's very important to have a very healthy top of funnel and have creatives over there working, and then middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, they can also come. There are a lot of people that they're against retargeting also because they believe that advanced plus campaigns are stealing all the sales, all cold traffic is stealing sales from retargeting, which is true. And I also believe that you should not focus so much on retargeting, but focus mostly on your top of funnel, because we cannot just say whenever we want that, okay, Facebook is a volume platform, and on the other hand, whenever it's not convenient for us and top of funnel is not working, just to do more retargeting, just to justify ROAS. Top of funnel has to work. On that note, do you need to have the same creatives? You don't need to, but it doesn't harm you if you use the same creatives that are working in top of funnel, in bottom of funnel, and middle of funnel. I don't want to hear again about people that are going to see the top of funnel, they're going to see the same thing on middle of funnel and blah, blah. They're going to be bored of watching the same other stuff. This is total BS, okay? People don't remember you. And secondly, people don't know if they're seeing top of funnel or bottom of funnel and it's the same ad. So don't think like this, think with ROAS and numbers. If something is working on top of funnel, you have better chances of incorporating it inside middle of funnel, bottom funnel, and make it work also there. Now, if you are one of these people that wants to make their life difficult and overthink things, you can try different creatives and see what is going to work on middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. A lot of times in a normal evergreen campaign situation, we have the same creatives on bottom funnel, middle of funnel, or catalog in bottom funnel, middle of funnel. Most of the times catalog in bottom funnel and another creative in middle of funnel. It really depends on the brand. But I need to say that there are some specific cases that you have, for example, an extra promotion for 3-4 days. Instead of doing cold traffic ads, which you cannot do for 3-4 days, of course, because you need some time also to optimize them, you can do a retargeting campaign with creatives like this with an extra promo that you have. And of course, email and other things in order to boost it. If you have a promotion which is running right now for a long period of time, you will do also retargeting ads with a promotion and you will do cold traffic ads. Your cold traffic ads evergreen campaign and your retargeting evergreen campaign can work with the same creatives that they are working in top of funnel. I think this is the safest bet because top of funnel is more hard to actually convert. So if something is working there, most probably it's going to work on middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. So it's totally fine if you have exactly the same creatives over there. So my suggestion to you is not to overthink it and just try to go immediately and use whatever is working for your bottom of funnel and middle of funnel. On the other hand, if you are spending a lot of money and you have also a lot of products, maybe you need to segment a little bit more your retargeting, especially if you are having a lot of products with different average order value. Maybe the catalog can do this job for you and just have a central budget there, or you can just go and you can do different retargetings for your different best sellers. Don't overthink it, guys, okay? The most important thing on Facebook is top of funnel, and if everything is going to work there, it's not so much the retargeting and middle of funnel, which is just inflated numbers or stealing sales from other platforms. It's fine. If it's stealing them, it's still data. But at the end of the day, you have to understand that your main focus should be top of funnel and not overthinking things or thinking that the people that are seeing your ads, they have the same knowledge as you. It's like the same situation that we had with dropshippers, that they say that I'm going to exclude people that they like AliExpress, for example, because they know AliExpress and they will understand that it's a dropshipping product and they will go buy it from AliExpress. Just because you know it, it doesn't mean that the other person that's watching the ads know it. The same way, something that you consider easy, for example, going and buying something from Walmart and then listing it on Amazon, doesn't mean that the other person knows that they can go and buy it from Walmart. This is why there are so many people that they buy things from Walmart and they put them on Amazon. So don't think with your knowledge, just try to understand that these are clients that they don't have your knowledge, and this is what marketing is. So don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, or my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.